So now we're inside the finishing room here at the joinery. These are some doors that they just got done finishing. Can you tell me a little bit about these projects, Paul?
Yeah, these are the cherry doors that go to the cabinet outside. We made them, coconut stick, and they're stained, sealed, and then we put a glaze on them.
What do you seal them with?
They're all lacquer,
Oh, okay.
lacquer sanding sealer, and you sand that, and then you use an oil-based glaze that goes on top. It really gives them a nice look. You can see the highlights where it's dark in the corners and lighter towards the panel.
Okay.
It just brings them up to another level, rather than just staining and finishing.
And is this a finish then you worked on with the customer?
Yeah, we did.
What's this detail here on these boards?
They're fluted columns.
Okay.
Yep. So there's tall ones around here also somewhere. But yeah, they're just fluted columns. We did those. We made those.
Can you show me what piece of furniture those are going to go on?
Yeah.